Science with Cruz Tyler. Okay guys, it's Cruz Tyler here, and we are going to be doing the Oobleck experiment. And if you don't know what Oobleck is, it's pretty much a non-Newtonian fluid, which is a fluid that can act like a liquid or a solid. Let's do this. Okay guys, we are going to be adding our cornstarch, and all you need for Oobleck is water and cornstarch. So let's add our cornstarch. We need a lot of cornstarch. Alright. You have to get in there good. There we go. The bag's kind of coming out. But then, after this, we are going to mix it all up, and we are going to need a lot of cornstarch. So it's bubbling because it's having a chemical reaction between the water and the cornstarch. Okay guys, we are going to be testing our Oobleck. So we are going to be sticking our hands inside of it and getting some Oobleck. It's pretty hard because it sucks it in. It just sucks my hands in. And this is how Oobleck works. I am applying pressure, and that is what is making it stay inside a ball. Then when I stop applying pressure, it just acts like a liquid. Like I said, it acts like a liquid and a solid. And plus, I can stick my hands in it, and it's hard to get them out. And it feels kind of weird on my fingers too, but it's really cool. So if you want to make Oobleck at your house, remember, you only need cornstarch and water. Thank you for watching my Oobleck experiment. I hope you like and subscribe.